Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step by step how you can easily use DottedSign. DottedSign is a really great program for signing documents, and after watching this video you will know exactly how to use it. Now if you're starting out, just click on the link down below in the description when you're gonna scroll out and you will get right here. So first thing first, enter your email. This is how we are going to start. I'm going to click start now and then just wait. Or what you can do is go to top right and click sign up. Then first and last name, Marcus Tonelius, and password. I have read and agreed and sign up. Okay, we have sent a verification link to your email address. So you're gonna get also verification and then DottedSign. Now when you're going to verify, as you can see, we are already there. And this is what you're going to get. So what we can actually find here. First thing first, you can see on a top tasks. I'm going to zoom in more so you can see it better. Then you can search. And then you can see also the settings. In settings, let's start with that. When you're gonna go on the top and click settings, you're gonna see my profile where you can add basic info, contact, and company, nationality. Then you can have even your own signature, preference, and then template, labels, protection, public form. These are all for the premium, so you need to upgrade if you want to use them. Now, if I'm going back to the tasks, how it works. I need to go to the right where is a plus, and then you have option to sign yourself or get signatures. Let's say we are going to get signatures. Select file, we are going to upload and find something. So let's say I have an invoice here and manage signers. Get signing order, and then I'm going to add an email here. So let's say it's going to be like this, but this goes to email, and name Marcus client, and add a new signer, and also I'm going to add myself. So as you can see, we got two signers. One of them is Marcus client and another one is Marcus Tonelius, which is me. Now I'm going to press continue, and look at this, excellent, more hotkeys are available. So you can go with the backspace, Command C or Ctrl plus C, Command V, Z, and you see all the commands that you can use. And now how to use it. So first thing first, you see both signers here. You can always edit those signers. On the top left, you can edit the name of the document. And then very simply, you can create a field. So as you can see, there is a field Marcus client. So I can click here, signature, and just drag and drop it. So I'm going to take it and then click here. Is it mandatory? You can click on the three dots. When you're going to move it right here, you can click here next to the X to the three dots. Click with me, and then there's a signer. And if it's a mandatory field, and placeholder signature. You can also change that if you want to. Now, when we go further, I can also add a date. So I'm going to click on the date and then click to insert. And again, the one who is actually signing the document will have to add a date there. And then you see its premium checkbox and radio button. Now, when I click here to Marcus Tonelius, that's me. And I'm going with the same process. So I'm going to click here on signature. And then date. And let's say I'm going to also add a text. And on all of these, you can edit those. So when you're going to click on the three dots, date format, font size, alignment, you can click on it and change who is going to sign it. So I'm going to change the signer here, and look at this. Now the Marcus client is going to sign it, and change the date. Now it's Marcus Tonelius. And now when you got it, you can click here on the right side preview. And then on preview, you can click here and see this as a signer, how it actually looks like. So as a signer, you can click Marcus Tonelius, and I'm going to click signature, and I can create initials or signature or stamp. So create a signature. Now I'm going to simply create it, apply, and then text, I can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing first, when I would click on the signers on the Marcus client, I can click again here or here and check it out. Now, when you are finished and when you see, you go on the top right and click continue. Signer, we have these two signers. Identity application, you can require signers to affiliate their entities when signing. And then you see expiry date after 30 days, 7 days. You can add it. Also auto reminder. Recipient will receive automatic reminders if they have not finished signing in 2 days, and will get another one after 6 days if the document is still not signed. This is something that I would recommend to have it marked up, only because many times people forget, and it's a good reminder. Now then, we're gonna see like the message to signer, and you can even choose to who are going to send what. So let's say there's like on select all, you can have it all, or just Marcus client, and I can go, hi, please sign the document, and then signing completed. Again, you can have it too. I'm going to have only request signing. Now when I have it, I'm going to click send. And now I will just wait. And look at this. I can go to my temporary email that I have prepared. Please wait patiently until all parties finish signing, and then get started with DottedSign, and you will get your email right here. And you would see also the file info here. And waiting for others. See, I already signed it, but there is waiting me, Marcus client. So this is pretty much it, how it works. You can always find all your documents right here. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.